Why data types matter in automation? Data comes in different shapes and sizes. When you build automation workflows, understanding these data types is critical. Systems treat text differently from numbers. Lists behave differently from single values. If you use the wrong data type, your workflow may break, calculate incorrectly, or fail to trigger at all. Strings, text data. A string represents text. It can contain letters, numbers, spaces, and symbols, but it must always be wrapped in double quotation marks. For example, John Doe, hello world, and even 12,345. That last example looks like a number. But because it's inside quotes, the system treats it as text, not as something it can calculate with. Strings are used for names, messages, addresses, and almost any human-readable content. Whenever your workflow needs to store or send text, you're working with strings. Numbers, numeric data. A number represents a numeric value and does not use quotation marks. Numbers can be integers, like 100, or decimals, like 12.5. Unlike strings, numbers can be used for calculations. If you're working with prices, quantities, scores, measurements, or percentages, you should use numbers. For example, if a purchase amount is stored as a string instead of a number, your automation might not calculate totals correctly. Data type directly affects functionality. Arrays lists of data. An array is a list of values grouped together inside square brackets. Arrays can contain numbers, strings, booleans, or even objects. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Apple, orange, banana, 4 strings, and true false for Boolean values. Arrays are useful when you need to store multiple items in a single field, like a list of purchased products or multiple email recipients. Think of arrays as containers for lists. If your workflow needs to handle multiple values at once, arrays are the right choice. Objects, structured data groups. An object stores related data together using key value pairs enclosed in curly braces. For example, name, John Doe, age 30, city, New York. Objects are ideal for representing structured entities like a customer, an order, or a product. Each key describes a property, and each value contains the data for that property. Objects keep related information organized and easy to access within automation systems. If arrays are lists, objects are structured profiles. They group meaningful information into one logical unit. How data types fit into workflows? In automation platforms, workflows are often built using visual nodes. A trigger starts the workflow. An action performs a task. Logic makes decisions. AI understands or generates text. Utility steps, clean and format data. Behind every one of these steps are data types. Strings move through email nodes. Numbers pass into calculation steps. Arrays power list processing. Objects represent full records like customers or invoices. You don't need to write code to build powerful automation, but by understanding data types, you design workflows that are structured, logical, and reliable.